You're gonna bring your arms all the way up, and now you're gonna bring your arms down, pull on the band with both arms, and back to the top, okay? So it's kind of up with 2 arms. Then you can do 1 arm and leave your left arm at the top. 1, 1. That would be 1, okay? This way, right and left. And together. And when you were doing wide row, it looks like this from the back. That is lat pull down. This is lat pull down with 1 arm or 2 arms. You're going to want to do, again, 5 reps, 6 reps. The goal is to eventually get to 10 reps. And you're going to need to do 3 sets with 30 to 45 seconds rest in between. Okay? So that's 2 back exercises. The third one is for your lower back. You're going to be in a standing position, or if you're in a chair, that's fine too. You're going to bring your arms out, and you're going to do like bow and arrow. Okay, bow and arrow. You're going to pull 1 arm is going to go back, and right arm is going to stay. I prefer to do this exercise by grabbing the bands and pulling. Okay, so I like to do where 1 arm is pointing towards the camera, the other arm is pulling on the bands, and now you should feel the lat behind you. Here's what that looks like. Other side. So I have scoliosis, and this is one of my favorite exercises to do. It always helps my back. You're going to want to do this for 10 reps on each side. So it's 1, 2, 3 to 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3 to 10 on the other side. Okay, I will create longer workouts for you. I just want to at least send you a video just so you have something once you receive my bands. Okay, so those are 3 exercises. Let's do one more for back. Again, if you want to sit, that's fine. You have to be comfortable. As long as you are comfortable, you need to be comfortable in how you perform this exercise. If you're not comfortable, you won't do it. So you need to make sure that you're comfortable, whether it's sitting down or standing up. It is completely up to you. It honestly doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't even matter how many reps you do, as long as you feel your back, you don't give up on yourself, and you want to work up towards 10 reps each time, okay? If you can't do 10 reps today, that's okay. Do 5, do 6, do 3, do 7. Just do something, and don't give up on yourself. If you want to stand up, either hold your bands at your belly button and then bring your elbows in and pull on the bands at your belly button. Or another way, okay, feet, legs straight, lock your knees, put your bands around your feet and pull towards you. They're not going to rip, but after you use them 200-300 times, they might, but they're not going to rip. for a very long time. These bands last me at least 2 years, so you're fine. Don't worry, okay? So now you're gonna pull on the bands. Now, I'm 5 feet. If you are taller than me, then you can bring your knees up a little bit and pull that way, okay? Another suggestion you can do is pull with 1 foot. Bring your band to 1 foot and pull on the band with your left arm towards your back. Again, you want to go for 10 or 5 or 4, however many you are able to handle. And the more you do this exercise, the easier it's going to get and the stronger your mind is going to get. You're not only going to shape your body, but you're also going to shape your mind. So let's do it on the other side. Right foot, right arm, one at a time, and pull back, okay? I write down how many reps you did, write down how many sets you did. So maybe you did 3 reps 3 times, which is 9 reps, but you took a break in between each set, okay? So again, if you want to try with both feet, another exercise I like to do for my back is rather than having a regular grip, this would be a regular grip, but if you bring your hands the other way, this is reverse grip. 1, keep your back nice and tall. 2, 3, okay? 4, okay? So there's your back exercise. Now let's move on to your tricep. With the same band, you're going to hold your band, right arm on top, left arm at the bottom, right arm on top, left arm at the bottom, and you're gonna pull your arm down, okay? Pull your arm down. You can even do this exercise while you're watching TV, and you're gonna get lost in counting reps because you're gonna be focusing on the TV, and you're not even gonna recognize that your arm hurts, okay? It's a little trick for someone that's just starting out, okay? So 1, 2, make sure you tighten that tricep. 3, 4, 5, okay? So it's right like this. 1, 2. Okay, other side, same thing. You want to go for 5 or 10, okay? So you're going to start with your peach band until you get comfortable, until this band becomes too easy, until once you're able to do 10, 12, 15 reps, when this becomes easy, and you'll know when this becomes easy, that's when you move on to the second color. Now, some exercises, especially with back, you'll see I'm still unable to do the pink, hot pink color, especially for row, wide row. This is even really hard for me, okay? I can do 1 or 2 because I don't use these bands like this every single day. I'm in the gym using dumbbells, but for some people who are just starting out and they're not able to use dumbbells just yet, this is how they start. So because I'm not using this band every single day, my arms and back is not strong enough to go for as many. I can probably do 10, but I just want to show you this is a lot harder, even for me. And this is how you know that you're not ready to go for the next color. And I've actually never, ever tried this color or the black color for the same exercise. No. No, okay? Let me try my arm. I could do my arms. This is a lot easier. Also, probably, oh yeah, from the top. Oh, this feels good. Yeah. Okay, so for these colors, for the purple and the black, we're gonna use this for legs, okay? And I will show you a leg workout in the next video. But thank you for purchasing these bands. I look forward to your progress. Please keep me posted. Don't forget that I included this meal plan and a grocery list on the other side. When you receive my bands and you open the package, please don't throw this away. This is your golden ticket to fat loss. Exercise is great. Try and get 7,000 steps in, but weight loss happens when you start eating the correct foods, okay? Now, if the food you want to eat is not on this card and you still want to eat it, that is up to you to eat whatever that is that you want to eat. I put the best, healthiest foods on this card. I've also included the most delicious, healthiest seasonings. Everything else is up to you. You have to put your big girl panties on and use your mindset and make the right decision for you. As long as you're following this card and this food list 80% of the time, it's okay to enjoy yourself with a cookie or a cake or pizza the other 20% of the time. There are 365 days in a year. If you do 280 meal plan days in 1 year, that is still more than the other days that may not be so good, right? So to keep simple math, 300 days are good and 65 days are not so good. 300 is still more than 60. So there's 7 days in a week. If you can do 4 days good, 3 days, 4 days is still more than 3 days. Eventually your body will understand that that is your consistency. The consistency is what you say the consistency is. This is your journey. This is your body. This is your mind. This is your life. This is your health. This is your house. It's you against you, and it's you and only you that can make this possible. I can give you the tools. I can guide you. I can support you. I can yell at you, but ultimately you have to be the one that picks up these bands and uses them as often as you can, minimum 5 days a week. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I look forward to your progress.